Hello, everyone. Once again, you welcome to FTGFs Weekly Market Outlook. Now, basically, what we do is that we share with you potential market moves that can help you in your decision making. And also, if you work around it very well, can make you some money in the coming week if you decide to trade in the financial market, whether in the crypto market, commodity market, and forex market. Now, before we move on, I would like to share with you good news. Okay, so you already know that I use the prop trade platform because they are funding me or giving me the capital to trade. The good news is that they have bagged an award at the just recently ended UF Awards, and the award that the prop trade bagged is the best emerging prop trading firm 2025. Okay, so this is a picture of it. Let me share with you the award itself. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yes, I hope you can see. So this is UFA Awards, UF Awards, Brokerage and FinTech. The prop trade had an award for the best emerging prop trading firm. Okay, so if you are working with prop firms, ensure they have this level of credibility before you start to even work with them. Now, so let's get straight into action. So like I said, we are going to share with you potential market moves in different financial markets, and then you use that as information to help you in your decision making. So if you've been following my videos, realize that I handle the fundamental analysis bits and also handle the technical analysis bits. So for the fundamental analysis, basically we look out for potential market events coming up in a week. So how can you assess that? The prop trade has all of that on its platform. So you move the mouse to the top side, you select trading, under that you select economic calendar. Okay, then you scroll down, ensure the date is right. So here we have 26th to 31st, okay, of January. Okay, so today is 26th to 31st. I want high impact news. I want news that can move the market. Okay, I don't want any dull moment in the market in the coming week because we all need money. So I scroll down, I select filter, scroll down, I select high impact and the middle impact news. I select apply, then I apply. So let's look at the dates. 27th, that is Monday. What's coming up? Nothing. We have news coming from Europe, US, but I don't think they interest me more. I scroll down a bit. We have on Wednesday, let me see. Yes, on Wednesday 29th, we have news coming from Canada. So Bank of Canada interest rate news coming up on Wednesday. ECB from Europe, interest rate decision news coming up on Thursday, and that's going to affect Euro as well. Let's look out for. And also on Wednesday, you have FOMC or interest rate news coming up from the US. Okay, so we have interest rate news for Canada, we have interest rate news for US, we have interest rate news for from UK, and we have interest rate news that's also going to affect the euro. So for me, looking at all of these interest rates, I wouldn't want to trade a lot. I just want to select a few pairs. So for me, I would like to trade GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP Canadian dollar, Euro Canadian dollar, USD Canadian dollar. Okay, why? Because they have high impact news coming out from these countries. Okay, and they are going to affect these currency pairs. Okay, so now that I'm setting with a pair that I would want to trade, out of all these pairs, the one I would like to get the analysis done with you or share with you is Euro USD. Okay, so like I said, if you already have an account, you tap on the black circle at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, you tap on the green to register for an account. So I tap on the black circle like this page pops up, tap on login. Okay, so with a login, if you are new, you can just coupon code. Okay, you just click there, you select WELCOM25, welcome 25, and then you apply. Voila, you have a discount. Okay, so you get yourself funded, you start trading. I have a funded account, so I move the mouse To the left side, I select funded accounts like this. Now, always remember that the prop trade is the one providing you with the funds to trade, okay? And the platform on which that you are going to get your analysis done is what we call Trade Locker, okay? So now, this is where I have my funds. I moved the mouse to the right side. I click on Trade Locker like this, okay? And then the Trade Locker page pops up. So now basically from fundamental analysis point of view, we have a fair idea of the news or high impact news that might be coming up during the week. So from technical analysis point of view, we need to look out for patterns and all of that. First, I would like us to check out, look out for potential opportunities in the commodities market, and the instruments that we are looking at is gold. Okay, so you move the mouse to the top right corner like this, and then you search gold or XAUUSD like this. Then you click on XAUUSD Pro. Why? Because the account or my account type is a Pro account. So I click on it like this, and then the charts pops up. Okay, now I want to have all the charts to myself, so I double tap that, and then I have the chart to myself. I move this down, and then I ensure I have this maybe down somewhere here. Okay, all right. So this is the chart. Okay, now looking at this, if I should zoom out a little bit, okay, you would realize that, or we can all see that this is the all-time high for gold. Okay, and that happened somewhere around October, and then the price moved a bit closer. Okay, so the all-time high was around 2790, and this last week the price was around 2785. So at this point, okay, if you are looking out for opportunities, okay, we first of all need to identify our resistance, because the previous all-time high is currently serving as the resistance. So I come here, I select my horizontal line like this, I put it here. Okay, so then that becomes my resistance, and you can clearly see that. Okay, so you realize that at this point here, you have here, and this point we have here. Okay, so looking at this, first of all, if you are looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, what you can do is that you can wait for this resistance to get broken to the top side or to the upside. There you can place your buy order, and then you have your stop loss just below the resistance. Or if you are looking out for a sell opportunity, this looks like a very good a sell opportunity. You can place your sell and have your stop loss just above the resistance. Or you can wait for the candlesticks to pull back again, get rejected by the resistance, as you can see, and then you place your sell trade and have your stop loss just above the resistance. Okay, so this is the potential market move in the commodities market, and the instrument that we chose is gold. And as you can see, all-time high, price came down, price is around that same key level, that is the resistance, and we are expecting price to either come down or go up. But whichever way, as a trader, you need to make a decision either to buy or either to sell. If you want to buy, we've shared with you how to buy. If you also want to sell, we've shared with you how to sell. Now let's move to the charts. The charts occupy the screen. If you want to minimize it, you move the mouse to the right side like this. You see the white vertical line, you double tap on it to have this. Now here you can now select. We are now going to look out for opportunities in the crypto market. Okay, so in the crypto market, we want to look at Bitcoin, BTCUSD. Okay, and you click on it like this. Here I bring the mouse here, I double tap it to have the charts or the chart to myself. Okay, so this is how Bitcoin looks like. Okay, at this point we can see a resistance. Okay, so we put a mouse here, and you can see that at this point the price got rejected. Let me show that to you now. A moment. Here price got rejected, and then it came down, and then price came up again to this point, and it got rejected. Okay, right. Now, if you are looking out for a buy opportunity, it's very simple. You can wait for this candlesticks to break this resistance, and there you can place your buy order. If you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, once the price is below the resistance which got rejected here, you can choose to place your sell trade, or you can choose to wait for the candlestick to move up a bit and get rejected by the resistance. Okay, so this is how to also trade Bitcoin in the coming week. Okay, now let's look at in the forex markets. Okay, let's look at euro USD. And I mentioned that the reason why we would want to trade Euro USD is because we have, when you type in Euro USD at the top right corner, you see it here, you tap on it, and then the chart appears. Now, the reason why I want to trade Euro USD is because in the coming week we have interest rates news coming up that's going to affect Euro, and is also going to affect USD. Okay, because interest rates news coming from US, and interest rate news also coming from the Eurozone. Okay, so if you look at it carefully, okay, let's look at it. It's as if all the instruments are showing the same pattern. Okay, so here you have this. Okay, so we have this as a resistance. Why? Because once again, price got rejected here. At this point, it was just playing around. It got rejected, came down to this point, and price moved up again to this point. Okay, so once again, if you want to also trade Euro USD, we have our resistance clearly identified. If you want to sell, you can place your sell order, have your stop loss just above the resistance, or if you want to trade, you wait for the resistance to get broken to the upside for you to place your buy order. In all of these, ensure that you apply proper risk management. So, okay, where you have your stop loss, you have your take profits, and all of that. What we are sharing with you is the key levels, okay? Because it's not easy for traders to identify key levels. We use all the analysis from fundamental, sentimental, technical to identify correct and solid key levels. When it comes to the lot size, the stop loss, take profits, all we tell you is ensure you apply proper risk management. So basically, these are the opportunities in the forex market, in the commodities market, in the crypto market that we are sharing with you this week. Okay, trade safe, ensure you apply proper risk management, and don't forget to get funded properly from theproptrade.com. Bye bye.